Hey everybody, and welcome to Hodl and Shill. I'm Crypto for Columbus, and today we're talking about all things RNS.ID, and today we're answering the question, how much does it cost to become a digital resident of Palau with RNS.ID? And so the answer to that question is it's $248 annually, and that is similar to renewing your other state-issued forms of ID. RNS.ID does have a time limit in terms of 1 year. So every year they'll do sanction checks, and then you'll be able to renew your ID. And it'll be the $248 per year. Then the other question that is answered is, will that pricing change in the future? And right now on their official FAQ, they say no, that price will not change in the future. So currently that is the best price that you will find out there for a digital residency for all of the features that this offers. That is why this is so appealing and so interesting to take advantage of if you can. So that answers that question. If you have any other questions, you can leave those below, or we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.